Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Fall Faves, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella and then some stamps and dies. Here, this is, again, it's a 2-page spread, 4x6 inches each page. And so on one I have this journaling card that I printed out, and then it goes with some of the embellishments from the kit. Actually, I had my silhouette just cut it out. I do have a tutorial on how I get perfect print and cuts with the silhouette every time. And here I want to do a little bit of stamping behind because I do like the effect that stamping combined with some paper elements have on the page. So I have this little leaf cluster that I want to use behind the journaling card there. So I put it on the page first to have a whereabouts idea of where I should put this, the stamp, because I, genius that I am, manage plenty of times to put some mixed media on the background of the page, and then by the end, when I'm all done and it looks all pretty, and then when I then start adding the papers, it'll be all covered up completely, and like all that artwork has gone to nothing. So anyway, here I have this set. This is another die cut set, and that is kind of an autumn themed. It has the pumpkins, and it has these apples, and it has this kind of a barrel basket kind of thing there for you could fill it with pumpkins, but I decided to use the apples for it. And so I'm just piling up the apples there and trying to glue them down, figuring it out as I'm doing it. And so that will go on the other very patterned page, but there are these crates on that pattern. And so I felt that was a good place to put this. It's not quite a crate, but very similar, and it carries fruit. So the theme of the page is carried on, and it's all about the journaling there is all about my autumn faves this year. And we've been having a very nice autumn. Usually autumn here is about the shortest time ever, but we've been having cool weather for quite a bit already, and so it's been nice. I've been enjoying autumn season where I live this year. I usually miss the ones that I grew up with, where I lived more up north and we had more of autumn where I used to live. So anyway, here are the last few embellishments. So I'm arranging things and trying to cluster things in a way that it will look pretty. And so I think the colors are stronger than the ones that on the pattern background, and so that makes the background to be not too much of a competition there. I don't like when things compete too much, and so I pay attention to the contrast, that the colors are either lighter or darker than the background. So anyway, here I am ready now to glue down this journal card. And what I like about the digital versions of this is that you can resize everything to the size that you need. If I had bought this as the finished paper, I would have gotten, I guess, 4x6 greeting cards or journaling cards, which is exactly the size of the page, which is not what I would want to use. So I like having the digital version of this, so I can size it in exactly the way that I want it to be. Anyway, this is the end of my page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.